Hey everyone, it's Leanne. I wanted to show you real quick how to get the feedback on your grades. So I have student preview mode on my computer here for you, and you can see I'm at the homepage for ECED 103. If I go over here on the left to my grades, I click on that, and it's going to come up with the assignments that I've submitted. So I can click on this blue spot here, the title, and I can see everything that I've done on this attempt. If I click on the score here, it's going to show me the responses that I submitted, but you'll notice it's not going to give you the feedback on here. So I can click OK. That just lets me know what I submitted, and I can click OK here again, and I'll go back to my grades, and this little word bubble here next to your grade is where I typed in the feedback. So it says, Leanne, you're amazing, do stuff. In here is where I will type where you missed points. I usually put the number and some feedback to help you get a better idea of if you need to explain it a little bit more, if you kind of missed the mark, those types of things. But that's where your feedback is. And if that feedback doesn't make sense, or if there's no word balloon there, let me know and I can add that in. Some of them I didn't click it correctly. I can also, on some of the assignments, I'm grading them with rubrics. So I'm going to go into the other course that I'm teaching this semester because I graded assignments on there using rubrics. So if I go into the Early Childhood Overview course, and I'll turn on my student preview mode so I can be a student right now, and I can go into my grades, and I see the NACE homepage assignment. So I can click the word review, and it'll say here's feedback and stuff. That's just what I typed in for this. So that, I've put your feedback there, but if you want specific feedback on each item, see here where it says view rubric. This assignment I graded according to a rubric, and anything that you attach a document, I will most likely be grading using the rubrics. So you can see here on the 3 ideas of the NACE homepage assignment, I got all 6 points, and there's feedback in here. Yay! On the 2 strategies, I only got 2 out of the 4 points, and it says meh for the feedback. 1 action, the feedback I put for myself was seriously, and professional presentation, I got a score of good. Now, I've also been copying and pasting all of this feedback here down into the bottom so that you'll see each of them. Now, some of your assignments, you'll see that you have it scored in novice, competent, or proficient. And your score at the bottom might be slightly higher because instead, when there's a span of like 1 to 3 points, I might decide that you're in that 2 realm. Or if there's a span like up here, there's a span of 3 to 6 points. Some of you got 4 or 5 points out of it, but the rubric auto scores to 3 or 6. And that's why you'll see an adjusted score down here, or a raw total. So I have, like I said, you'll see all of your general comments here, but if you want the specific things on each element, on any of the assignments, you attach a file for that aren't the like test or assignments that are in Blackboard that you just go through the different questions in there. You'll be able to click that rubric and see exactly where you're getting your points or missing them. And I'm trying to be as specific as possible in there. However, sometimes it's hard for me to explain myself in sentences. So if you're not quite sure what I'm getting at or why you lost points or what you need to do to earn them back, drop me an email, ask me before or after class. That's totally fine. But hopefully that helps you see where to get your scores and your feedback on the assessments. And have a good day.